Welcome back to the Health Channel. Today, we're cracking the secrets of a small but mighty food, eggs. More specifically, we're exploring the incredible benefits of eating 2 eggs every day. Eggs have long been a breakfast staple, but their nutritional value extends far beyond your morning plate. But before we delve into these fantastic advantages, did you know this about eggs? Did you know that eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet? They are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, making them a nutritional powerhouse. But have you ever wondered why? It's because a whole chicken can grow out of it. Yes, you heard that right. Can you imagine how powerfully packed, nutritional sources eggs are? Eggs contain all the nutrients needed to support the growth of a chick, including all the vital protein, vitamins, and minerals. Now, let's uncover why you should include 2 eggs in your daily diet. And please don't forget to subscribe, if you want to keep up with more science-backed health advice for a healthier and happier life. Benefit number 1, muscle maintenance and repair. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein, making them an excellent choice for maintaining and repairing muscle tissue. The amino acids in eggs are readily absorbed by the body and provide the necessary building blocks for muscle growth and recovery, making it an all-time favorite for professional athletes. One study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that consuming eggs after resistance exercise highly increased muscle protein synthesis, leading to improved muscle gains over time. To make it practical, consider incorporating eggs into your post-workout meal to support muscle recovery and growth. A protein-rich omelet with vegetables can be a delicious and satisfying option to refuel your body after exercise. Benefit number 2, reduced risk of stroke. Recent research suggests that eating eggs can be associated with a reduced risk of stroke. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that individuals who consumed 2 eggs a day had a lower risk of stroke compared to those who ate fewer eggs. Eggs are a source of nutrients like vitamin D and choline, which may contribute to their stroke protective effects. Vitamin D is known for its role in bone health and immunity, but it may also have a positive impact on cardiovascular health. Choline, on the other hand, supports brain function and may indirectly reduce stroke risk through its cognitive benefits. To make it practical, consider including eggs as part of a balanced diet that supports heart and brain health. You can incorporate them into your meals in various ways, from breakfast scrambles to salads and sandwiches. Benefit number 3, promotes hair and nail health. Eggs are rich in essential nutrients like biotin and protein, which are crucial for maintaining healthy hair and nails. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, plays a key role in promoting hair growth, reducing hair loss, and improving the strength and texture of your locks. Additionally, the protein in eggs provides the building blocks necessary for healthy hair and nail cells. You can also create a nourishing hair mask by mixing eggs with olive oil and applying it to your hair and scalp. But first, enjoy a balanced diet that includes eggs to support hair and nail health from the inside out. Benefit number 4, brain-boosting choline. As mentioned before, eggs are a rich source of choline, a vital nutrient that plays a role in brain health and cognitive function. Choline is a precursor to acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory and mood regulation. Studies have shown that adequate choline intake may improve memory and cognitive performance. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that higher choline intake was associated with better cognitive function in adults. Eating 2 eggs daily provides a significant portion of your daily choline needs. To make it practical, you can make delicious scrambled eggs with spinach and feta for a nutrient-packed breakfast that supports your mental clarity. Benefit number 5, eye health with lutein and zeaxanthin. Eggs are a valuable source of 2 powerful antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds are essential for maintaining healthy eyes and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. According to research published in the Journal of Ophthalmology, lutein and zeaxanthin play a vital role in protecting the eyes from harmful high-energy light waves like ultraviolet rays. Eating 2 eggs daily can provide a significant amount of these eye-protective antioxidants. Consider adding eggs to your diet to support your eye health. A spinach and tomato omelet, for example, combines the benefits of lutein-rich vegetables with the lutein and zeaxanthin found in eggs for a tasty and vision-enhancing meal. Benefit number 6, enhanced digestive health. Eggs contain a compound called lecithin, which is an emulsifier that helps break down fats in the digestive system. Lecithin can aid in the digestion and absorption of dietary fats, making it easier for your body to access and utilize essential fatty acids. Furthermore, eggs are a good source of dietary fiber, particularly in the egg white. Fiber helps promote regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, and supporting a healthy digestive system. It also aids in maintaining a feeling of fullness, which can be beneficial for weight management. Poached eggs with whole grain toast and avocado can be a nutritious and fiber-rich breakfast to kickstart your day. Benefit number 7, blood sugar regulation. Eggs can contribute to better blood sugar control. They are a low glycemic food, meaning they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels when consumed. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition has shown that consuming eggs as part of a meal can lead to lower post-meal blood sugar spikes. The protein in eggs, combined with their low carbohydrate content, can help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of insulin resistance, a key factor in type 2 diabetes. Consider incorporating 2 eggs daily into your meals, especially if you have concerns about blood sugar regulation. A vegetable omelette or a salad with boiled eggs can be a balanced and blood sugar-friendly choice for lunch or dinner. Benefit number 8, supports healthy pregnancy. Eggs are a valuable source of nutrients for expectant mothers. They provide essential vitamins and minerals like folate, choline, and iron, which are crucial for a healthy pregnancy. Folate, in particular, is essential for the development of the baby's neural tube and can help prevent birth defects. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggests that choline, found abundantly in eggs, plays a role in fetal brain development and can contribute to improved cognitive function in children. To make it practical, consider including eggs in your prenatal diet, but make sure to consult with a healthcare provider to ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs during pregnancy. Properly cooked eggs, such as hard-boiled or scrambled, can be a safe and nutritious choice for expectant mothers. Here's a summary of some of the reasons why you should eat 2 eggs daily. The nutritional value alone is so powerful, it could create a whole chicken, imagine that. Apart from that, eggs can enhance your protein intake, boost your brain health, protect your eyes, provide essential nutrients, and do it all without breaking the bank. So, consider including 2 eggs in your daily diet to unlock these amazing advantages. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the Health Channel for more valuable health tips. Until next time, let's crack the code to better health and well-being.